So if you watch this channel, you know that I don't just stack to stack, but I also stack to collect. I love different designs of 1 ounce silver coins and bars and rounds. And you know, when something new comes out, especially something new, Star Wars related, of course I'm gonna order it. Why don't we check out what's inside? And here we go. This is very exciting. There's been a lot of really awesome Star Wars releases. The Mandalorian, the Mythosaur coin started it off, and then you ran into all sorts of other releases. Whoa, what is this? This is new. Dear Customs Inspection, please repackage securely and our customer prevent claims of the company. But this shouldn't be going through customs. Okay, well, I don't think it was shipped from overseas, but hey, or out of country, I should say. But let's go ahead and see what we have in here anyway. Oh man, this is new. These come in capsules? So yeah, we have not been getting these in capsules. We've been getting these in tubes. But take a look at this. The new Mandalorian coin comes in capsules. Of course, our sticker, all right, cool. The sticker came off very, very easily. Sweet, let's go ahead and get these open and take a look at them up close. We are under a 4K camera. If you guys want to pump that resolution up, we're gonna take a look at this thing. Man, take a look. We got the new Mandalorian 1 ounce silver. This is 99 fine. It is obviously copyright and trademark Lucasfilms LTV. And you actually have the Mandalorian coin on here. So originally I was saying that the Mythosaur, the 1 ounce silver Mythosaur, was like the beginning of this this downward path for me collecting these silver Star Wars coins. But this is cool. I did not mean to do that. This is cool. We actually have them in capsules. So as you can see, I picked up a couple of tubes of these. The fact that they're in capsules is very exciting because we have had some quality issues in the past with coins being scraped up, scratched, milk spotted, and whatnot. But clearly, that is not going to be the case with these. Let's get one of these out of the capsule, though. We just want to take a close look at it with the capsule off and see what's up. Oh, yeah. This is how they all should come, don't you think? In perfectly custom-fitted capsules for the coin. Look how well that looks, like how nice it looks. No scrapes, scratches, dings, dents, milk spots. Gorgeous. So there you go, guys. The 1 ounce silver Star Wars Mandalorian to go with all the other ones that have been coming out lately, and I'm sure they're not going to stop. That is cool. Awesome. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this quick unboxing, let me know down below by leaving a comment. Don't forget to hit like to help the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to others. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.